Kokido vacuum for your pool. Very interesting. I've never seen one like this before. My pool is actually still not open. It's still cold outside. But I wanted to give you a quick look at this in the meantime. So this is where you get power into it. This does have a battery. So you plug it in here. It obviously comes with the plug on and off right here. I mean, other than the on and off switch, that's pretty much the only adjustment that you need on here. The only other one would be the size of the pool. And that's just basically adjusted right here with this little knob on the side. So it's actually a very simple device. You basically just throw it in the pool. You would set this wheel one time. It gives you very clear instructions on how to set it, depending on the size of the pool. This is where all the crud kind of comes up, and this floats up. This kind of has like a little floaty piece on it. So if I show you here, you pull this off, and it's really nice because you just walk away with this bag, turn it inside out and wash it. And you come back in and put it on. You don't have to take it apart and clean out all the interiors and stuff like that. So it's very simple. There's basically a giant jet in here that is pulling the water down through the bottom and up through the top, if you see there. So the crud gets pulled in through here and shot up and filtered out through this bag. The bag is a fine mesh, and it comes with 2 bags actually, which I like because what I did was the one bag I'm gonna use for here, and the other bag I'm gonna put the instructions in, and I'm gonna put the hook in. So this is the pool vacuum. Very excited. I will make an additional video when this is ready and in the water. This is the little hook. This is how you get it out of the water. Oh yeah, this is the guy.